Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a wireless heated neck stretcher by a company called Upalled. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you are of course going to get a little user manual. We're going to go over the details. You're going to get this little USB to USB Type-C charging cable. I got tons of these things. You're going to get a little travel bag here, which is what you're going to store it in when you are not utilizing it. And then you are going to get the neck stretcher itself. So as you can see, nice and compact in size. It has right there on the side the power button. That's also where you will plug it in and charge it. To turn it on, you're just going to simply hold down your finger for about 2 seconds. You'll see it lights up. The red means it is on the hottest setting. Now, it does heat up pretty fast. So when your neck is on it, you start feeling that heat really quickly. The hottest setting is going to be up to about 122 degrees Fahrenheit. You go ahead and hit it into the blue. That is going to be the medium setting, and that's about 109. Hit it again and it'll go to green, which is the lowest setting, which is about 95 degrees. So you have different temperatures depending on how warm you want your neck to get. Simply hit it again and it'll go back to the highest setting. Hold down your finger for 2 seconds and it will turn off. Now this thing does also have a automatic auto off after 15 minutes, which I personally love because while you're laying on this, the whole point is you want to give it time to kind of stretch out your neck, so it's not something you do just for a few minutes. So when it automatically turns off, that gives me a cue that I know I've been laying there for 15 minutes, which is just the perfect amount of time for me. As far as the device itself, it's very comfortable to wear. It does have this nice zipper here, which means you can remove this kind of pillowcase and wash it. Now, I do recommend just hand washing it. I've not ever thrown it in the washing machine or anything like that, but you can remove this if you wish. For whatever reason, it gets dirty and you need to clean it. Now, as far as the battery life, that's going to drastically depend on your heating setting level, but it will notify you. The light will be red when it is time to charge it up, and then also, it will be blue when it is fully charged when you are setting it up. But overall, it is a great little device. Just give you that little nice stretch in your neck if that is something you're looking for. I totally recommend checking this one out because I absolutely love the heated mode on it. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.